In this video, I'm going to build an outdoor shower, and I'm going to build it right next to the sauna that I built earlier this year. I'm also going to take the opportunity to fix a major drainage problem that I get every spring at the foot of the rock stairs right here. Since I'm going to have the ground opened up to put drainage in for the shower, I figured, well, then I might as well just do it all at once.
Shut the door.
Why? Come in and watch.
All of the wood you'll see in this project, I got for free. And I'm not just talking about pallet wood, I'm talking about chunky 5 and 6 inch cedar beams. And I'm also going to demonstrate how you can find similar material where you live. If any portion of this video is helpful, useful, entertaining, please comment. It seems like it's the only way to make YouTube notice my channel. And also consider becoming a paying member where you get access to everything from blueprints and guides to one-on-one access with me. All right, let's start digging. So, unfortunately, right where the shower sits, there is a rock or maybe even bedrock that is 1 inch below the surface, like right here. I discovered this when I was running the water line, and I spent quite a few hours using a hammer drill because I don't have a jackhammer. And so I used a hammer drill to cut enough channel through this so that I could have the right grade for the shower area to drain into the catch basin. But unfortunately that means since drainage is basically sitting at the surface, I can't bury it down below. I'm going to need to raise the basin of the shower above grade. Let's talk about free lumber. If you know me, you know I love to search for free materials that people are giving away. Facebook, Craigslist, places like that. In my searches, I discovered a pretty untapped resource that has turned out to give me a lot of really great material, and that is wooden play sets. Maybe the kids grew out of them, maybe they're moving. Whatever the case, I have found that if you search and find for really good listings with clear pictures, you find some great material. True, sometimes you end up with some of it that's broken or rotten, but by and large, because they're so big and heavy, there's a lot of good material in them. And we're not just talking about heavy timber that's useful in these play sets. There's often chain that come with the swings, carabiners, heavy hardware, really thick plastic that I'm thinking about using to cut up as roofing shingles. Honestly, if I had the time, I could probably make a business out of removing these wooden playsets from people's property. And it's crazy because there is so much useful and valuable material that's tied up in the construction of these things. And one last note, because often these playsets are set kind of far back on a property, it's the perfect opportunity to use a solar battery. And the beauty of it is the electricity is free. And that brings us to the shower. Honestly, I was just gonna rig up something with a garden hose and a sprinkler, and then the folks at CAMPLUX offered to send me a portable tankless water heater with pump called the F10 Pro. And it's awesome.
Well, you know, I'm trying to get out of the shower sooner, and then I ask myself, why? I mean, this is where I want to be.
Once the water is connected by means of either a garden hose, like it is in my situation, or by means of a bucket and the provided pump that's powered through your car's auxiliary connection, all you need to do is press the button on the shower head. And you have instantly hot water. How cool is that? I can't tell you how happy it makes me being able to rinse off either on a hot day or take some of the grime off before I go in the house. And that makes my wife happy, so major win. I mentioned earlier how important comments are. I make a point to respond to all of them. So thank you. I have a lot of new content coming out soon, so make sure you're subscribed. And as always, if you like this video, you might like these.